Hello everyone, welcome to today stock market review with the action once again all over the place. Early in the morning we had the futures slightly down, and just before market open we had some roller coaster down. And after the market open, we have been basically the market has been basically all over the place. But let's look into those charts, see where we stand. So we opened with a gap from yesterday close. Right out of the gate, we saw some buy pressure to fill the gap, but it faded, printed a higher low intraday, and reversed back up, pushing and completely filling the gap. So where we stand right now, looking for the spice. Looking for the spice, we had a bullish reversal candle from the 8-day moving average, $390 area, and reversing back up and close near the highs. So it's very difficult to be and to have a big bear case situation here when we have this kind of actions. So basically, yesterday we had a bearish reversal candle. Today we have a bullish reversal candle. So they one day down, one day up. So no real continuation here, either for upside or downside. So it's all over the place kind of scenario. Something that I've been telling, and that it's very difficult to call for a top. Everyone was calling for a top here, resume back up, calling for a top here, resume back up, calling for a top here, and reverse back up with very powerful move. So we wait. So for tomorrow, 389, today lows of the day is the key support. If it holds, we need to move above for the bull case above 394. Above that, resumes into $400 target. That's the bull case. The bear case below 389, we have 385. That's a retest on the breakout area, and also 21-day moving average as the key support. So something to keep open-minded going forward. Small caps, exactly the same thing. So it printed yesterday a lower high, bearish reversal candle. Today gap down and faded, but at the middle of the session, shorts start covering the position and push back, closing just slightly near the 8-day moving average. So going into tomorrow, what we want to see? We want to see if we are going to have a continuation from this reversal. Okay, the gap here from $221 was filled. So now we see if 220.9 it's going to hold. So key support 220.96, today lows of the day. And if that breaks, we have 217, 218 as the retest on the breakout, and also the 21-day moving average. Bull case above 224.74 to the highs of the day. We will be looking for a possible resume back up. 229 and $230 will be the key resistance. The cubes, exactly the same thing. So yesterday bearish reversal candle, today gap down, faded, but they bought the dip at the middle of the session, pushing back above and closing above the 8-day moving average. So once again, no follow through for downside, and stopped exactly where it should, to $330. I told you on the pre-market stock chart that $330 would be the key support. It $330.17 and bounce, closing almost $4 up from the lows. So what's next? Keeping the ball on the bull camp while we are above $330. Okay, so bear case needs below 330. We have 327.8. We have another gap to fill at 323, but we need to break and stay below $330. So keep open-minded for that. Bull case needs to go above 334 to try to recover 338 as the next level. Okay, Apple, exactly the same thing all over the place. After the market open, I saw here a bounce from the 50-day moving average. It fell, didn't fill the gap, so we have a gap here to fill at 139.79. 132.79, sorry, and I had $130 as my line in the sand. It has been shopping around here $130 area, and eventually it closed just above $130. So going into tomorrow, 129.47 is the key support. If it breaks below 125, one of the things that I suggest for a possible long-term portfolio, get some 25% of size at $130. If it breaks below at 125, get more 25, and that considering the long-term position here on Apple. I didn't take any position. I'm staying cash overnight, so that's my own risk management. Tomorrow, what we need a move above 132 to go and try to fill the gap at 139.79, 132.79, but right now the ball on the bear camp. Looking for Amazon, amazing relative strength, okay, today, but it was not easy. Out of the gate, bulls bought the dip and it faded. They bought again and it faded again. And they bought again and they faded again. So it was not an easy path, considering that options premium getting killed very, very fast. So out of the gate, one of the things that I saw here was calls 3300 playing for upside. But those calls with these kind of moves down, those calls got pretty much slapped and very, very difficult. Indeed, we have a move up, but very, very difficult action. Okay, so going into tomorrow, 333.21 will be the resistance. Above that, we have 33.50, we have 3400. Bad case needs go back below 32.77, and below that we have 32.33 and a possible move below 3200. So staying open-minded, no position here, and waiting for tomorrow. Disney, it was a beauty. Okay, it was a beauty. We had this week a reversal sell downside yesterday, and today we gone lower. And when we were here, okay, when we were around here, I started buying calls 190 strike, playing for upside, those calls at 30 cents, and I start loading, heading more position, and at the middle of the session, what we have, resume back up. I closed those calls a bit too soon. Those calls were the start of the day, beautiful move higher, but I locked very nice profits. So once again, I trade for a living, I trade for cash flow, so I am very happy with the trade. Now what? Closed above the 8-day moving average. Tomorrow, use today resistance 187.63. Above that, can go into $190 first target, second target 193. That's the all-time highs. Okay, so keeping on watch for possible continuation. Let's see if it's going to continue tomorrow. DraftKings bounced from the 21-day moving average. 57.64 is the key support for now. Going into tomorrow, let's see if it's able to go above 60. Needs a move above 62 to try to go into the $64 area. So keeping the stock on watch list. Expedia, what a big trade here. When we had this candle, okay, this candle on very nice volume, I start seeing calls 150 strike at $1.10. Okay, so I didn't jump in, and I'm kicking myself because it was a beautiful trade. It gone for $5, more than $5. So it was a great trade. Congratulations to the traders that got into that trade. And once again, when we see bullish action on the stock and also bullish options activity, it can make an explosive move. So after these kind of explosive moves, I usually trim profits. So the suggestion is trim profits. I'm taking the stock out of the watch list because it was from today options activity. Congratulations to all the traders. Facebook, nothing today. They try to shake the tree, push back, closed below 274. 274 continues to be the key level. Holding above 21-day moving average, so we cannot get that bearish while we are above the 8 and 21-day moving average. So 269 it will be the key support. If it breaks below, we have 266 and 263, and below that 260, and can fall apart into 254, 255. But we need to see it, okay? Bull case needs above 274, and going above yesterday highs 276 to try $280. Keeping the stock on the watch list. Today I didn't trade it, and waiting for a resolution one way or the other. One of the names that I also got out of the gate, FCX Freeport. I saw bullish options activity. I saw here a red to green move, and a big bounce, and I got some calls, and those calls worked very well. But that was, once again, trading for a living, trading for cash flow. It was intraday a scalp. What a beautiful scalp. Congratulations to all the traders. I'm taking the stock out of the watch list. NAT Cloudflare today out of nowhere, saw big volume here, no clue what the hell, didn't see any news, nothing, but I had the stock to the watch list because it printed a bullish reversal candle. We have a gap to fill at 89.3, so keeping on the stock on the watch list. If it goes above 86, watch out, can go and fill the gap at 89.3, so keeping the stock on the watch list. PSTH, I closed the call spread that I have, that I had yesterday. I closed the call spread, and waiting here, okay? Seeing lots of bullish options activity on the name, so needs above 34 to go into 35 $40 area. Keeping the stock on the watch list, but right now no position. Snap, one of the names today, I tried to had some calls. I believe I had twice on the day. Didn't work, but keeping the stock on the watch list. Bounce from $61. 61 gave you the support today. 61. It hit 61.07. Okay, 61.07. So missed by 7 cents and bounce, recovering the 80-day moving average. So I decided to jump into some calls. Closed pretty much flat for the day, but keeping the stock on the watch. If it breaks below 61, we'll be bearish with the target 58.57. That's the bear case. But if the stock goes above today, highs of the day, 63.22, watch out, can go into $65-$66. Okay, so keeping the stock on the watch list. One of the names that I had to the watch list, Team. Why? Bullish reversal candle today, recovering the 8-day moving average, and also saw some bullish options activity on the name. Tomorrow, what we need, a move above 252, and above that we have 257 as possible targets, and if extends $260. So keeping the stock on the watch list. Tesla, another name, bullish reversal candle near the 50-day moving average and bouncing. Okay, closed at the highs of the day. We continue to have the bear case while we are above 821. Okay, that's yesterday highs of the day. I will be extremely bullish if the stock goes above 821. It can go very fast into $860 area. Right now, one day a reversal bounce, seeing if we have follow through or if it will fail here at the 8 and 21 day moving average and resume back down, and from there we will reevaluate. Uber, another name that I have to the watch list. Why? Today, bears strike once, strike twice, but stock closed near the highs of the day. So we have here some shorts attempt, but bulls step in and buying the dips. That shows some relative strength, some buying power here at $59 area. 59 holding for now. So set the triggers. 61.4 is the trigger for the longs. Above 61.4, watch out, can go into the $64 area. Bear case needs below 59, and from there it can fall apart into 57, and from there $55 can be the target. Okay, so overall where we stand, once again, SPY actually closed on the green, so we cannot get that bearish while we are, and SPY closed near the highs of the day, above the 8-day moving average. The cubes also closed at above the 8-day moving average. Small caps also bouncing and closed near the 8-day moving average. So we cannot get that bearish while we are above the 8-day moving average. So staying open-minded for tomorrow. Very happy with today's trades where we were able to generate very nice cash flow, and staying open-minded for what the hell is going to happen tomorrow. Okay, so wish you all great trading. Stay safe and have a good night, everyone. Bye bye. See you.